Can start. Good afternoon, children. Okay, in this session, we are going to do problems from trigonometry based on trigonometric functions. Okay, today we are going to learn how to integrate trigonometric functions. Write the heading, integration of trigonometric functions. Integration of trigonometric functions. Integration of trigonometric functions. Okay, so now listen, children. What is integral of sin x dx? What is integral of sin x dx? Yes. It is minus cos x plus c. Okay, these all the 6 formulas you have to learn it thorough. What is integral of cos x dx? What is integral of cos x dx? It is sin x plus c, isn't it? What is integral of tan x dx? What is integral of tan x? What is integral of cosec x? Just write down it once again. What is integral of cosec x? What is integral of sec x dx? What is integral of cot x? Yes, tell me. Learn and write it again. What is integral of cos x? What is integral of tan x? What is integral of tan x, Punya?
Log of sec x plus c.
Log sec x plus c. So log sec x, we can write this as minus log cos x, isn't it? That one we can write this as minus log cos x. Okay, because in MCQ, sometimes they will give in terms of cos. So you should know that one. Then, what about cosec x? What is integral of cosec x? Rijas. Log of
cosec x plus cot x.
Cosec x
Minus cot x.
minus cot x. Log of cosec x minus cot x plus c. Then Gayatri, integral of sec x dx.
Log of sec x plus tan x plus c.
Sec x plus tan x plus c. What is integral of cot x? Emmanuel. Integral of cot x.
Minus log cosec x plus c.
Minus log cosec x means we can write this as log sin x plus c. Is it correct? Integral of cot x is log sin x plus c. Okay. Minus log cosec x means it is same as log sin x. Okay. So this is the property. Minus log x will be same as log of 1 by x. Okay. This is the property in log we use here. Okay. Learn the formula. Say the formula once again. Atul, what is integral of cosec x?
Log cosec x minus cot x plus c.
Okay. Aryan, integral of cos x? Sania, integral of tan x?
Log sec x plus c.
Aditya, what is integral of cot x?
Log sin x plus c.
Okay, so we know all these formulas, isn't it? We know how to integrate this and all. Suppose we get some powers, how to do? Suppose we get sine square x. Suppose we have sine cube x, how to do? Whenever powers are there, we should remove the powers using the identity what we have learned last year. 11th standard, we have learned so many formula. Okay, what are the formulas we have learned? What is sine 2a? What about sine 2a? What are the formulas you have learned? Sine 2a is? Yes, 2 sine a cos a, isn't it? In terms of tan, what you have learned? What is sine 2a in terms of tan? Take your formula booklet. Take your formula booklet, read it. Find out what is sine 2a in terms of tan.
2 tan A by
Ah,
1 plus tan square A.
2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. What is cos 2a in terms of tan, Punya?
1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A.
Very good. What about tan 2a? Rijas, tan 2a in terms of tan.
2 tan A
By,
by 1 minus
yes.
tan square.
2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. Okay, now listen children. Cos 2a formulas are very, very important. Cos 2a, what you have learned? Cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, which is same as 1 minus 2 sin square a. These two formulas are very important. From here, listen, from here we can say this. What is cos square a? It is 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Okay, cos square means we can write this as cos square a is 1 plus cos 2a by 2. What about sin square a? 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Sin square a is 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Cos square a is 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Sin square a is 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So, and what about sin 3a? What is the formula we have learned for sin 3a? Sin 3a is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. What is cos 3a? Cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Learn all these formulas and come. Okay, we have to learn all the formula what we have learned in trigonometry. We need all these formulas. Okay. So now using these formulas only we are going to integrate. Using this formula we are going to integrate. So write the question. Okay, if you are thorough with the integration, thorough with the trigonometric formulas, exercise 7.3 we can solve it very easily. So write the question. What is integral of? Integrate sine square 3x plus 5. Sine square 3x plus 5 into dx. Integral of sine square 3x plus 5 into dx. Integral of sine square 3x plus 5 into dx. How to do this? Yes, how to do this question? Sine square is there. Whenever we have square, we should remove the power. So what is the formula we know? What is sine square x? Sine square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2, isn't it? If it is sine square x, it is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So it will be sine square 3x plus 5. It will become 1 minus cos 2 times, okay, double of this cos of 2x plus 5 by 2 into dx. Sine square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So it will be integral of 1 minus cos 4x plus 10 by 2 into dx. So now listen children, 1 by 2 being constant, we can take outside. Now we have 1 minus cos of 4x plus 10, okay, into dx. So we know how to integrate this function, isn't it? We can integrate this function easily. So it is 1 by 2. Integral of 1 is x minus integral of cos x. Integral of cos x will be sin x. So what is integral of cos 4x plus 10? Sin 4x plus 10 by 4 plus c. Yes, Arjun.
Ma'am, the question is 2x plus 5, right?
Here I gave another question. Don't expect the same from the textbook. Okay, I'm giving similar questions. So I'm giving from another
No,
book.
ma'am. But in the steps we wrote as 2x plus 5.
From here. Okay, so if it is, okay, so if it is 3, okay, here I give the question is 3x plus 5, isn't it? Okay, I think from the question, or textbook question is 2x plus 5. Okay, otherwise you change it, 2x. Then it will be okay. Okay, write the another question. If it is 3x plus 5, do it with 3x plus 5. Which, if it is 2x plus 5, okay, and actually I'm not giving from the question textbook, children. I'm using another book only. From that book only I'm giving. Okay, in that book all the questions are mixed up. Few questions from the textbook, few questions from the previous year's book and all. Previous year's question paper and all. Okay, any of that few questions will be repeated. Some questions will be repeated. Similar questions will be there. Over, is it okay? Write the next one. Integral of tan square 5x minus 3 into dx. Integral of tan square 5x minus 3 into dx. How to do this? Integral of tan square 5x minus 3 into dx. Do we have any formula for integral of tan square x? We have any formula for integral of tan square x? No, isn't it? But we know integral of sec square x is integral of sec square x is. What is integral of sec square x? Naureen, what is integral of sec square x?
Tan x plus
Tan x plus c, isn't it? But tan square x, we can convert it in terms of sec, is or no? Tan and sec are connected by an identity. We can use the identity. What is the identity? Sec square x minus tan square x is 1. So, sec square x minus 1 will be tan square x. Sec square x minus 1 will be tan square x. So, we can write this as integral of sec square of 5x minus 3 minus 1 into dx. Tan square x will be sec square x minus 1. Sec square x minus 1. Is it okay, Emmanuel? Is it okay? Emmanuel, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
No, yes, yes, Emmanuel.
Ma'am,
Here we know the identity sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. From here, what is tan square x? If it is x, here also we write x. If it is y, what you will write? Sec square minus 1 is tan square y. So what will be tan square of 5x minus 3? Tan square of 5x minus 3 will be sec square of 5x minus 3 minus 1. Is it okay? Now, Emmanuel, Aryan. So now, what is integral of sec square x? What is integral of sec square x? Gayatri?
Tan x.
Tan x. So, what will be integral of sec square 5x minus 3? It will be tan of 5x minus 3 by 5. Whenever we have some coefficient of x, that should be written in the denominator. Minus, what is integral of 1? X plus c. So, tan of 5x minus 3 by 5 plus c. Write the next one. Up to this question, is it clear? Is it okay? Is it okay, children? Is it Emmanuel? Okay? Michael is present. Michael? Michael, up to this question, is it okay? Any doubt? Michael,
Yes, ma'am.
is it okay? Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Write the next one.
Ma'am,
Yes, Achut.
can you show the answer again?
Answer. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now write the next one. Integral of sine raised to 4 to x. Integral of sine raised to 4 to x. How to do this? Sine raised to 4x dx. We can write. Sine raised to 4, there is no particular formula, isn't it? We know for sine square and sine cube also we can use sine 3a. But here sine raised to 4. Sine raised to 4, then we should split it. We can write this as sine square 2x the whole square. Okay, power 4 means square to square, isn't it? Sine square x the whole square. Now what is sine square x? What is sine square x? 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So 1 minus cos 4x by 2 the whole square. Is it correct? Sine square x is, what is the identity? 1 minus cos 2x by 2. If it is x, we should write the double of the angle here. If it is x, we are writing 2x. So here if it is 2x, it will become 1 minus cos 4x by 2 the whole square. So 1 by 4 being constant, we can take it outside. It will become integral of 1 minus 2 cos 4x plus cos square 4x into dx. Is it correct? We expand it using the identity a minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Is it okay, Sania? So now look at the next step. So we can split this 1 by 4 into integral of, yes?
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
We got 1 minus cos 4x by 2, right?
Yes.
So how do we take 1 by 4 outside?
The whole square, is it there? What is a by b the whole square?
So after squaring, you have to take outside.
Yes. Okay, and next step, we are splitting this into smaller part. Okay, we can split this integrals. Cos 4x dx plus 1 by 4 integral of cos square 4x dx. Okay? Now integral of 1 dx we can do. What is integral of 1 dx? It will become x. 2 by 4 means it is 1 by 2. Integral of cos 4x will become sin 4x by 4 plus 1 by 4 into cos square 4x. Cos square 4x, how to integrate? Cos square x means we have to replace it with cos square x is cos square x is cos means we should yes Anya, say it louder. It is
1 plus cos 2x by 2.
very good. 1 plus cos 2x by 2. For sine it is minus, for cos it will be plus. So 1 plus cos 2x, double of this 2x. So here if it is x, 2x. 4 means you will get 1 plus cos 4x by 2 into dx. So it will become x by 4 minus sin 4x by 8 plus this 1, 2 if you take it outside, it is integral of 1 by 8 into integral of 1 is x. plus cos 4x. If we integrate, it is sine 4x by 4. Now we have integrated all the function. You add the constant of integration plus c. So it will be x by 4 minus sine 4x by 8 plus x by 8 plus sine 4x by 32 plus c. Now we can group these terms, simplify, and we can write. Group the terms x by 4 and x by 8 we can group. Here also we can group, simplify and write. And then 1 second, 1 second children. So it will become 8, isn't it? It will become 8. Sine 8x. We have to double it. 4, if you double it, it will become 8. 8 8s are, it will become 64. Now group the terms and write. 8, if you double it, okay, 4 on doubling, it will become 8. Again, 8 by 8, 64. 8 8s are 64. Now group the terms. These two terms you can collect and write. X by 4 plus x by 8. Over. Okay, is it okay? Shall we do the next one? Write the next one. Next one, integral of, this is an NCERT question, children, your textbook question. Sine 3x cos 4x into dx. Sine 3x cos 4x into dx. Sine 3x cos 4x into dx. How to do this? Actually, it is given in product, isn't it? We have learned last year formula for product to sum to product and all. Isn't it? Oh, okay, here we are going to use that formula. So we know that. What is 2 sin A? We call it. What is 2 sin A cos B? What is the formula we have learned? What is 2 sin A cos B? Open your formula booklet and check it. What is 2 sin A cos B? It is 2 sin A cos B. It is sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. Is it correct? Sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. Is it correct? Product to sum. 2 sin A cos B is sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. What is 2 cos A cos B? Check it, children. Tell me, what is 2 cos A cos B? Srihari, what is 2 cos A cos B? What is 2 cos A cos B?
Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B.
Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. What is 2 sin A sin B? What is 2 sin A sin B? It's 2 sin A sin B. What is 2 sin A sin B? Sania, what is 2 sin A sin B?
Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B.
Yes, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. What is 2 cos A sin B? What is 2 cos A sin B? Achut. What is 2 cos A sin B?
2 sin A plus B minus sin A minus B.
Minus sin A minus B. Okay. See, whenever we have one cos and sine, the formula will be based on both the terms sine. One cos and one sine is there. If both are cos or both are sine means we use cos A plus B and cos A minus B. 2 cos A cos B is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. 2 sin A sin B is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Okay. So we use these identities for solving this type of question. Okay. So look at here. First we name this as I. If we want to use this identity, we want to, here 2 is not there. So we multiply and divide by 1, 2. 1 by 2 into 2 sin 3x cos 4x into dx. 2 sin 3x cos 4x into dx. So which will be same as half into integral of 2 sin A cos B. It takes the form 2 sin A cos B. What is 2 sin A cos B? It is sine of A plus B. Sine of 3x plus 4x plus sine of A minus B. 3x minus 4x into dx. Sine of 3x plus 4x plus sine of 3x minus 4x into dx. So it will be half integral of sine 7x plus sine of minus x into dx. What is sine of minus theta? What is sine of negative theta? Gayatri? Sine of minus theta is?
Sin theta.
Minus sine theta. What is cos of minus theta? It is cos theta. Only for cos and sec. Negative angle will become same as, okay, fourth quadrant. Look at the fourth quadrant. All silver teacups. Fourth quadrant means, okay, only for sine and sec. You'll get like that. For the remaining angles, we'll be taking negative outside. For the other trigonometric ratios, minus will come outside. So sine of minus x will be minus sine x. So it will become sine 7x minus sine x into dx. Now integrate this. So it is half into integral of sine 7x. Aryan, what is integral of sine 7x? What is integral of sine 7x? Aryan.
Sine 7x. Sine x.
Is it what integral of sine 7x is? We have to integrate sine 7x.
Minus cos.
Minus cos
7x by 7.
minus 7. Okay. Minus cos 7x by 7 minus Krishna Chandran. Integral of sine x. What is integral of sine x?
Minus cos.
Minus cos x. So already we have one minus. So it will become plus cos x plus c. So half into minus cos 7x by 7 plus cos x plus c. Okay. If you want, we can multiply this 1 by 2 inside and simplify, and we can write. We can multiply 1 by 2 inside and we can write the answer. Okay. Okay, here we use product to sum. Product to sum formula. We are using product to sum. Okay. Is it over? Right, the next one. Next one. Integral of sine x, sine 2x, sine 3x dx. Integral of sine x, sine 2x, sine 3x dx. Integral of sine x, sine 2x, sine 3x dx. How to do this one? Okay, listen. Whenever we get more than 2 terms, okay, here we have 3 terms. You have to look at that. Is it possible to regroup? Okay, if you look at the first 2 terms, look at here. If we take the first 2 terms, when we add, we will get 3x. And when we subtract, isn't it? When all the formulas, if you look at the previous problem, look at the formula here. If it is a and b, we add a plus b or we subtract, isn't it? A plus b, a minus b. Only the trigonometric ratios are coming in terms of sine and cos. We add the angles here, a plus b, a minus b. So likewise here, you please check, is there any, okay, if you add these two, you'll get 4. But when we subtract these two, we'll get 3. So what, sorry, when you subtracted 3x minus x, we'll get 2x. Is that no? So what we can do, we can group these terms together. Without regrouping also we can do. Without regrouping also we can do. You can take the first 2 terms and you can proceed. In that way also you will get the same answer. But if you regroup it, it will be easy for you. If you regroup it, it will be easy. So what we are going to do, we multiply and divide by 2 and we bring the term sin x into sin 3x together into sin 2x. We just regroup it. Okay, without regrouping also we can do. But if you regroup and do it, it will be easy. Okay, so it will become half into. Now check the formula. What is 2 sin A sin B? What is 2 sin A sin B? What is the formula we wrote here? What is 2 sin A sin B? Atul, what is 2 sin A sin B?
Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B.
Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Is it correct? Nandana, is it correct, Nandana?
Yes, ma'am.
2 sin A sin B is cos A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So we can write this as half integral of cos of minus 2x. X minus 3x means it will become minus 2x minus cos 4x into sin 3x dx into sin 3x dx. So which is yes?
Sin 2x dx.
Sorry, yes, sin 2. Sin 2. Yes, Sanya, very good. Thank you. Now listen, children. Look at here. Cos of minus theta. What is cos of minus theta? Gayatri, what is cos of minus theta?
Cos theta.
Cos theta. Okay. What about sine of minus theta? Michael, what is sine of minus theta? Michael, sine of minus theta is? Michael is present. Huh? What is sine of minus theta? Michael. Yes, Michael? What is sine of minus theta? Okay. Punya, tell me, Punya, what is sine of
Sin
minus
theta.
theta? Sine of
Sin
sine
theta.
minus sine theta. Okay, look at the quadrant. In which quadrant it will come? Minus theta means in which quadrant?
Fourth.
Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, which trigonometric ratio is positive?
Cos and sec.
Cos and sec. Here we are having sine. Sine will be negative. Okay, so we can write this as half into integral of cos of minus 2x. It will become cos 2x minus cos 4x into sin 2x dx. Into sin 2x dx. Okay. So the next step, open the bracket. That means we are using distributivity. Use distributivity. So when you use distributivity, it will become integral of cos 2x into sin 2x minus cos 4x into sin 2x into dx. Cos 2x into sin 2x minus cos 4x into sin 2x dx. Okay, once again, look at here, we have the function in the product form. So we have to use, if it is in product form, we have to use product to sum. Again, we need 2. So 2 is not there. So you multiply by one more 2. You multiply by 2, it will become 1 by 4 into integral of 2 cos 2x sin 2x minus 2 cos 4x sin 2x into dx. Okay, so it will become 1 by 4 into integral of, what is 2 cos 2x sin 2x? What is 2 cos 2x sin 2x? What is 2 sin A cos A? What is 2 sin A cos A? It is sin 2A. So we can write this as sin 4x. 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A. But here we can't write like that. Then again use the identity. What is 2 cos A sin B? What is 2 cos A sin B? Punya? What is 2 cos A sin B?
Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B.
Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. 4x minus 2x. Whole thing into dx. So it will be 1 by 4. It will be 1 by 4 into integral of sine 4x minus, it is 4x plus x means it will become sine 5x, minus of minus it will become plus, isn't it? Plus 4x minus 2x means it will become sine 2x whole thing into dx. Now, look at here, the product, the functions which are in product, we have splitted that into sum. Okay, the functions which are in product, we have splitted that into sum. Now integrate it. What is integral of, yes?
It is minus sine 2x. Right?
Where? Here. Here already we have one minus common outside. When you apply this one, what happens? Will it become plus?
Okay.
So it is, what is integral of sine 4x minus cos 4x by 4 minus, here it will become cos 5x by 5. Already one minus is there, so it will become plus minus cos 2x by 2. Yes?
4x plus 2x.
Okay, just is it okay, children? Is it okay? Go through it using sine 2a, tan 2a, all the trigonometric identities, not only in this exercise. Hereafter, in all the exercise, we'll be using all the trigonometric identities. So learn the identities and come. Then you can do these questions easily. Okay? With this, we wind up today's session. Thank you.